Hi guys, it's Risa. How you doing? I wanted to start by saying thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I hope you love my recipes, and please don't hesitate to comment and like and share with other people, okay? That would be wonderful. So I just want to get it out there for other people that are on a healthy journey like me and you. Today I'm going to teach you one of my favorite recipes. I just think it's a comfort food, is oatmeal, okay? This is of course simple and delicious. The thing about oatmeal, it has so many health benefits. It's packed with fiber and protein. It stabilizes your blood pressure. It's 100% natural and has tons of vitamins, okay? And minerals and antioxidants. Try saying that. Okay, so let's start. One thing that I love is the Weight Watchers oatmeal because it's already measured out a third cup. There's different flavors. You can get the peach cobbler. Some people find it a little sweet. There's also the maple brown sugar. You can just use regular oatmeal. I just buy this at Walmart. Doesn't matter what brand you use, okay? A third cup is 3 smart points. So no matter what you use is a third cup. The other thing I like to do is I buy these big, large packages of fruit, strawberry, mangoes, at Costco, and sometimes I just buy small ones if I don't have time to run to Costco, and buy whatever fruit you want. So you're going to boil up your water, and you're going to use about 3/4 of a cup and about a cup of fruit. You can use fresh fruit, any kind you like. You can use peaches and pears and apples. It's delicious. If you don't have flavored ones like the Weight Watcher ones, you can add a little bit of cinnamon sugar or just some cinnamon in it. You could add even some PB2 powder would be delicious. Maybe even a little bit of cocoa, but I would add, because it's a little bitter, you could add a little bit of honey, agave, if you like stevia, TRUVIA, SWERVE, you can mix that in with the cocoa to have a chocolatey flavor and a dessert. And the thing about this is it's a breakfast, it's a snack, it's so hearty, and it'll keep you full for a long time. Okay, so I have my Weight Watchers oatmeal. You can do this in the morning before you go to work. If you're eating at home, you can just put it in a bowl and make it in a bowl. If you're going to work, you can make it up even the night before, stick it in your fridge, and then microwave it, okay? So you have lots of options, and it will stay for a few days. All right, so I am going to add my fruit first, and I'm just going to take some strawberries and some mangoes, and I'll take some raspberries. Okay, about a cup's worth, okay, and I'm just going to add it to my oatmeal, and it just comes dry, and I absolutely love it, and I've been eating it for years. Normally I don't measure. I just like to cover the fruit with the water. So I've boiled up my water, and I've measured out about 3/4 of a cup. And you'll see that it's plenty of water. Okay. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Okay, you're thinking, oh my God, it's so watery, right? Well, if you make it overnight, it will stand and get thick. If you microwave it, it gets nice and thick. Now, the thing about microwaving is you have to keep an eye or it's going to explode. So you do it for about a minute, check it, stir it, do it again for maybe about 50 seconds or so, stir it, and you will see that it'll get really nice and thick. Okay. And what I do is before I go to work is I just usually cover it, or I put it in a container, all right? So you can keep it in a container, you can leave it as is. And when I get to work, I microwave it. And I just microwave it a few times, and then, ta-da, it gets so thick. And that's how I like to eat it. If you like it a little watery, you can do that. If you like a little almond milk, you can add almond milk to it. You'll just have to count depending. I mean, if you're just using a half a cup, you don't have to count it. But if you use about a cup of milk, regular milk, you can do that as well, okay? But it is super delicious and thick. And if you want, you can add some almonds. I always have some toasted almonds on hand, or I have some seeds. Pumpkin seeds are great in it. If you like craisins or raisins, you just have to account for the sugar content, which is fine, but there's a lot of points. This is only 3 smart points for this whole, hearty, delicious, and nutritious breakfast or snack. Makes a fantastic snack. And that's it. That's all you have to do, okay? So I hope you love this recipe. Don't forget, I love your comments. Keep them coming. Like and subscribe. Tell other people. And enjoy your oatmeal, okay? It's going to keep you full for a long time, okay? So take care. Love you guys. And come visit me, at Risa's Recipes and Weight Watchers Tips for lots of motivation, inspiration. We have unbelievable members losing all kinds of weight, and they're very inspiring and will help you as well on your journey. Bye for now.